guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I'm in the same outfit and in the same background as my last video, and that's because I am filming these back to back. I'm not gonna lie and go get changed and make it look like it's a different day. So I am here and back with a very exciting video for you guys. This is one that I never ever thought that I would be making and putting out on my YouTube channel, so it is crazy to me that this is even happening. So this is the beginning of my brand new series that I'm gonna be releasing to the YouTube world, and it is one that I am so excited to make, and that is such a good feeling for me because, as I mentioned in my last video, I've really been lacking passion and excitement towards making new content for you guys. So I am back with this and it is so exciting. So this whole new series that I'm going to be releasing to my channel is all about weddings. So I am going to be getting married this year. I'm not going to tell you guys when, but it is this year. But I want to take you guys on the journey of all things wedding, all things on how to plan a wedding, everything that I'm doing to prepare physically, mentally, skin-wise, makeup-wise, going to the gym, wedge shredding, everything that I'm doing to prepare for my wedding, which is happening this year. So if you guys want to follow along on my wedding series, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit the bell so that you actually get notified when I upload, because just subscribing won't do that. So I guess let's jump into the actual engagement story. I'll tell you guys a little bit about my fiance and about our relationship. So my fiance's name is Riley. You guys would have seen him on my Instagram if you follow my Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here if you wanted to check it out. I do post on there a little bit more personal stuff as well. He's also featured on my YouTube channel before years and years ago in some old videos, so you can go check them out if you want to have a little cringe moment. We met when we were 19, so we've been together for 5.5 years now. So the engagement happened on the 10th of November last year, and I'm going to run you through how it happened. We do have some clips which I'm so glad that we have to look back on, and I'll be inserting them through this video. So the story sort of happened when I was just working. I work full time. He had just finished uni, which was a massive thing because he's been going to uni for the last 4 years, and it was such a great achievement for him. I'd been working my ass off full time at work. I am a registered nurse as well, and so I barely ever get any holidays, or it feels that way anyway. So we decided we were gonna have a weekend away at the beach. So Riley had originally said to me, you know, I want you to plan a weekend. I always plan the holidays anyway, so I thought nothing of it. So I was like, yep, okay. So we were gonna go down to a place in southern Queensland in Australia called Burleigh Heads. We often go there, it's our place that we go to, but nothing was available this weekend that we had free. So I had a look at the Sunshine Coast, and I ended up just finding the caravan / camping ground in Coolum Beach. So we go there a fair bit. It's a really nice area. We often spend a lot of time at the beach. It's what we love to do. We always bring our dog Tilly, which she was just on the couch with me somewhere. And so I was like, yep, let's do that. So that was it. Didn't think anything of it. The only sort of thing that made me think maybe it wasn't just a camping trip was my best friend Sean, who I've mentioned on this channel before, had said to me, let's go get our nails done. I can't have SNS or a shellac or anything because I have to have no nail polish on for work. She'd said she really wanted to get them done. I'm like, yeah, great, I'll come, but I can't get that, so I'll just get normal polish. And she was like, nah, you don't want to get normal polish. That's so boring. It'll just come off. You want it to last the weekend because you're going away. And I was like, nah, I don't need that. I'm just gonna get normal polish. There's no need for me to get shellac or whatever. So we'd arranged to go on Wednesday after work, and then last minute I was like, nah, I can't come. So she was like, no, we really have to go. I've been growing out my nails, using all these excuses. So I was like, yep, alright. So we went to the city and we had dinner together that night, and we went to get our nails done, and I made a joke. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get bright yellow. She was getting a bright orangey red, and then she was like, no, I think you should get a neutral color. So I ended up getting white. So I hadn't thought that much of it at that point. I didn't think anything of it really, I guess. I just had thought it's weird that she was kind of a little bit pushy about me getting my nails done. Anyway, so Saturday morning rolls around, we get ready to go. Riley's packing up our stuff in our bedroom, and I look on his bag and he had a button-up dress shirt on top. And I'd said to him, I was like, why are you bringing that? And he's like, oh, I just thought, you know, to celebrate me finishing uni and stuff, we could go for a nice dinner. I was like, yeah, okay, sure. Me being me, I'm like, I don't dress nice. I wear casual clothes. So I was like, I'm not bringing anything dressy. He's like, no, please babe, I bring like a dress or just something like nice so that you feel good, you can dress up. I brought like a denim skirt and a t-shirt with me. So we go up to the coast that day, and my dad was actually up there as well doing something else. So we hung out with him during the day, which was really nice. And there's a really cute shop in Coolum. So I went in there and I ended up finding this like little leopard casual dress. I was like, I'll get this, maybe I can wear this to dinner tonight. So Riley had also mentioned to me during the day that he wanted to do like a picnic on the beach, which I thought was really sweet, but also didn't think anything of it really at this point either, because we do stuff like that all the time. Like, we love going on picnics and things. But I just thought it was weird because he'd said we were gonna go for a nice dinner and then we were gonna go for a picnic or whatever. So we're at our campground, we've set up our tent, we've got our dog with us and everything, we're having a super chill afternoon, and then he'd said to me, let's go down for our picnic at sunset. The only thing that now that I reflect on it that kind of gave it away was he was like, I really want to be down at the beach for sunset, and it was at like the most specific time, at like, I don't know, 5:15 or like 5:17 or something. And I was like, righto mate, we'll get there when we get there. So he'd gone off to the bathroom, like toilet blocks for a bit, and I was waiting there and I was like, God, he's been gone for so freaking long. He comes back and now it's like 5:20 or whatever, so we've already missed our 5:17 that we had to be down at the beach. So then I was like joking with him, I'm like, so much for going at, you know, 5:17 or whatever. And he was like, no, I want to go, let's go, like I've packed everything up, I want to go, we need to go now. I'm like, oh my God, why are we going to eat a picnic at 5:17 and then we're going to go for dinner at like 6? It seems silly to eat and then eat, but whatever, I'll just go along with it. Obviously I had no idea. So we go down onto the beach. He's brought the cutest little picnic setup. We've got like our food out. We're playing some music and he's playing my favorite artist, Carl Lionheart, and I was like loving it. We're having some drinks, having some food. It was super relaxed. And then he kind of starts like saying some nice words about, you know, how I've supported him through the last couple of years and how, you know, we make a really good team together, and like, or just this like sentimental stuff, which was really beautiful, but I wasn't 100% sure that that was going to be like the moment. And then little did I know, he like said it to me, he's like, okay, I just need to get another beer. And we've got the esky sitting right there, and instead of going to the esky to get the beer out, he goes like to the picnic bag, and then he pulls out the ring. So obviously I said yes. He is the best thing that has ever happened to me in this life. He is my best friend in the whole world, and I could not be happier to be marrying him. I had told Riley in the past that if he was ever gonna propose, please don't do it in a public place or like in a restaurant. That was my worst fear. We're such laid back people. We spend most of our time together just at home or at the beach enjoying each other's company. So it was like the perfect engagement, everything I could have asked for, and it is something that I always kind of knew was going to happen. We've talked about it so much whilst we've been together, and I just had no idea. I literally had no idea that it was going to be then. So it was such a surprise, which is insane, and all my credit goes to him and to my best friend Sean for organizing this, because I am the biggest mystery solver. Like, I ruin every single surprise, so this was a massive surprise to me. So I guess the whole story behind all of this was the reason that he took so long in the toilet block is he was actually on the phone to my best friend Sean and to her boyfriend, who had come up the coast that weekend as well. They were actually hiding in the bushes this entire time we'd been sitting on the beach, and they were there to capture this engagement, and I am so thankful to them for organizing this as well and for being a part of this moment with us. It was so nice to be able to celebrate with them. So that is everything that happened. I will give you guys a close-up of my beautiful ring. So Riley and my best friend Sean actually bought my ring, I don't know how long exactly, I want to say like 3 to 4 weeks before he proposed, and he kind of knew the style that I wanted, and so did my best friend Sean. I can't believe that this is like the journey that I'm on now and that I'm going to be planning a wedding. It is just mind-boggling. I can't believe that I'm gonna be a wife this year. Like, what the hell? So I want you guys to come along on this adventure with me to plan this insane wedding. I'm so freaking excited about it. We're gonna be talking about wedding dresses, engagement parties, hair and makeup trials, DIY for wedding decorations, slimming down for the wedding, getting in my best shape and the best version of myself. Just a whole bunch of wedding stuff, and it is gonna be an awesome ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out my Instagram. I have a whole bunch more like photos and stuff on there from the day, and I will be updating that as I go with like planning this process and stuff. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you're new to my channel or haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe down below and hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.